Hello everyone, today we are introducing the LiModel Editor tool under the Terrain module. The LiModel Editor function can be used to repair, optimize, or add features to terrain. Existing raster data can also be converted into LiModel in LiDAR360 for editing and then converted back into raster files. Under Model Editor, in the Terrain module, activate the LiModel Editor tool. The LiModel Editor toolbar will appear in the currently active window. Click Start Edit. Select the file to be edited, and begin editing. Next, we will introduce these LiModel editing tools one by one. The Breakline of Flat Area tool can be used to flatten lake areas. It allows you to draw a closed region and set a unified elevation value within it. There are multiple ways to draw a closed region: manually drawing a polygon, using the lasso or brush tools, drawing areas outside the data range via the screen method, or selecting features or vector layers in the viewer for drawing. Here, choose the appropriate tool based on your needs. After drawing the closed region, set the unified elevation. Similarly, the Breakline of Gradual River tool can create sloped surfaces with gradual elevation changes to flatten river areas. It is added by drawing two bank lines in the same direction, and the start elevation and end elevation values of the two bank lines can also be manually set. The Linear Breakline tool is used to add breaklines to represent features such as steep cliffs. Check Change Elevation to modify the elevation of points on the line. The Smooth Height tool can smooth the terrain to reduce protrusions caused by surface roughness. The Repair No Data tool can fill holes in the LiModel surface. For spike noise caused by outliers, users can use the Repair Height by Variance tool to remove them. The Repair Height tool is used to repair elevations within a specified range. It can repair elevations in all selected areas, or repair only the grids within a specified elevation range by setting the elevation range. It can also be set to repair only invalid values within the range. The Delete Height tool is used to delete elevation points within a specified range. For the above operations, the software also provides undo and redo tools, offering greater convenience for LiModel editing. Finally, users can choose to save the editing results or discard all edits using the Cancel DEM function. After completing the LiModel editing, click the Exit button on the toolbar to exit the LiModel editor. You can choose whether to save the drawn breakline files. That concludes the full introduction to the LiModel Editor tool. Thank you for watching.